mga beshies. So kung isang tip lang, as in isa lang, wala nang iba, kaibiganin niyo yung librarians.
Yan!
That's the best tip that I can give you because especially kung freshman kayo, you don't know kung paano kayo, how you will go about your day before your class. Talk to your law librarian. Kasi sila yung nandyan since day one. They know this little yung mga nuances, yung mga tips that they can give you about your professors or your subjects. And the materials, they know the people. Actually, sila yung one single great resource. Kami, yung one single great resource that you can rely on.
Grabe yung
during
buhat
your law
bangko
school.
ni Alvin, no? Sige.
Wala na talaga ako. Greater resource na naman.
Ako ang sagot.
Total, nandito na din naman tayo
Ako
eh.
ang kausapin mo.
Gusto nyo mag-survive sa law school, kaibiganin nyo ako.
Greater resource.
Well, hindi nyo naman nadidinay. Nakinabang naman kayong tatlo, di ba?